DEKit is coming over to measure. So I'm getting fake teak done on the sides of the boat, and I'm super excited about this. Way early on, I went ahead and sanded all of this non-skid down on the sides, and then I put grit in, and it's still super slick, and it's honestly not safe at all. And DEKit has reached out, and we're gonna do fake teak on the sides. So I'm really excited because it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna feel better on my feet. It's gonna be a lot safer. I'm very excited about it. This is probably one of the best decisions and upgrades I've made for the boat. It looks amazing. I know it's superficial, but in my opinion, it's not, because I've already talked about this, but how the non-skid was super slick and it was honestly a hazard, and this is a lot harder to slip off of. It does blend in with the teak that I have not treated, which is kind of nice. Nothing but good things to say about DEKit. The measurements were quick and easy. The install lasted 3 hours. So for all of this, only took 3 hours, and I'm well, it's less than 3 hours, honestly. Whole thing is done. I'm very excited about this. I can't wait to see it in action. I'm really happy with the color I picked, and I want to go back to that. DEKit has so many different colors, designs, patterns. I have nothing but good things to say about it. It went super flawlessly, and it looks amazing.